Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to contact Indeed customer service by phone. Reaching out to customer service can help you quickly resolve account issues or get answers to your questions directly from Indeed's support team. So, let's get started on how to contact customer service by phone on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, select Help Center. In the Help Center, choose the Job Seeker Help Center option and tap on the commonly asked question. Scroll down and tap on Submit a request under Need More Help. Scroll to the bottom, tap on Still Have Questions and enter your question in the text box. Select your device and upload a screenshot if needed. Tap on Send Email to submit your request to Indeed support. And that's how you can contact customer service by phone on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.